Even if you don't have a meat thermometer, there are several ways to tell if pork chops are done. Try poking the chops with a pair of tongs or a spatula. If they feel firm, they're probably done. Chops that are underdone may feel soft and squishy. Pork chops that are properly cooked will also look golden brown on both sides. If you think the chops are probably done, remove them from the heat and let them sit at room temperature for 5 to 15 minutes. As the meat rests, it will absorb juices and continue to cook a little bit more. Cut into the chops to make sure that any liquid that flows out is clear instead of red or pink. As long as the fluids are clear, it's okay if the meat is slightly pink inside. If you do have a meat thermometer, remove the chop from the stove or oven and insert the tip of the thermometer into the thickest part of the meat. Avoid touching any bone with the thermometer. If the chop is at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius inside, it is fully cooked.